Hey guys, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to show you the 2021 Vibe 31 ML, back in stock by popular demand. For starters, this unit has tons of storage inside and out, so you've got a pass-through storage here and a storage compartment here on the slide. And we'll take a look around on the other side. So on this side, you do have an outdoor kitchen that includes a TV, plenty of storage space. You've got this good sized Everchill refrigerator and preparation space along with a spray port here. And we'll take a look inside. And as always, we'll start off in the bedroom, and I gotta tell you, this is one of my favorite floor plans because it has a his and her closet space. Plenty of space to hang clothes or whatever you may need to bring with you. It comes with these little cubbies, and it is a walk-in closet. And you also have a dresser here, and your bed is on the slide to allow for more room in the bedroom, and it does have the Vibe cubbies under the bed, along with plenty of windows around the bed. Wake up to some sunshine out on the lake. In the bathroom, you've got some vanity space here, a great place to put a hamper. You've got a cabinet over here on the wall along with your mirror, a large stand-up shower along with a skylight above it, and of course your toilet. In the living space, this couch does fold out into a bed. You've got some cabinets up above. On this slide, you've got two recliners. These are extremely comfortable. You just sink down into them, take a nice little nap, and USB ports along with an outlet there. You've got a 12-volt refrigerator and freezer, the Furrion microwave, and Furrion 3-burner cooktop along with an oven. And as with most Vibes, you do get a drawer that matches the oven so that you can store your pots and pans below the oven just like you would at home. And plenty of counter space, tons of counter space. You've got a large single basin sink with a drying rack and a huge pantry. And this is a bar that comes with bar stools. And then your entertainment center, you did get a large TV, radio, and Furrion fireplace that's great to keep this space warm on those cold winter nights. Come out and see us, Tri-State RV, Anna, Illinois.